do you want to mount a 55-inch TV onto your drywall? Well, here I have the Condomounts fixed TV mount, which is suitable mounting TVs onto your drywall. Alright, this fixed TV mount fits most 32 inches and 55 inches TVs. So today I'm going to show you how to do this onto your drywall. Right, so first thing I'm going to show you the contents of this Condomounts product. Firstly, you have the TV mounting anchors. Okay, you have the screws, anchors. These are called the elephant anchors. These are made by elephant anchors. And besides that, you also have this drill. Right, this is a hand drill and attachments, the TV mount, and also you also have this, the VESA mounts that I use to mount this TV onto the drywall. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So the first thing that you must do to mount this TV is actually to place these VESA brackets. These are called VESA brackets because you're going to attach them right at the VESA of the TV. So these 4 holes are actually the VESA holes. So I'm going to attach the first one first. So as you can see here, these are the attachment, the screws. These are all given together with the product, so you don't have to worry about getting them separately. Right, so just use a Phillips screwdriver, like this one, right here, and then place the VESA brackets onto the back of the TV. Right, so this hole up here is right here, so I'm going to place the TV. Okay, you could place some spaces behind to make sure that there is some space between the TV and the VESA bracket, but I'm not going to do that. These spaces are also included in the product. Right, so there's one more here. Sorry. Okay, so as you can listen to the sound, these VESA brackets are all made with good quality steel. Right, so here I have placed on the third hole, so the same third hole right here, so the TV is mounted straight onto the drywall. It's pretty much very simple. You could do it yourself. Alright, tighten the screw and do the same for the bottom hole right here. Okay, so I'm going to do it now. I'm going to show you what's the next step. So done placing the VESA mount behind the TV, what you gotta do next is to to drill some holes onto your metal stud. Alright, this one I have already drilled. So what I did was I used this. This is called the C.S. Hansen metal stud finder. I found the metal stud, and then I place the actual TV mount right here. As you can see here, this TV mount is built with this leveler, which is actually helpful in making sure that when you mount your TV, it is straight. Yeah, right here. So use this leveler to make sure it's straight, okay, and then drill 4 holes behind here. Yeah, I've done that, as you can see here. So now after drilling the holes, what you gotta do is you gotta place these anchors. Alright, so Condomounts includes these elephant anchors. Alright, it's a company which makes wall anchors. These are considered to be the strongest wall anchor, and to place this, it's really simple. Alright, okay, this metal clip right here, twist it this way, and then just insert it through the hole. Very simple process. It's a bit right, okay, there you go. So it attaches itself to the metal stud behind, and then this clip right here, just pull it until the end of the drywall. Make it tight, and then just push this up and down. There you go. So you do the same to the 4 holes, and then I'll show you what to do next. So for the next step, I'm going to attach this metal TV mount onto the drywall. So I have placed the wall anchors. So these screws, okay, these are machine screws, the washers, everything is included with the product. So I'm going to just use my hand first and place all 4 screws onto the wall anchors. Alright, one here. I just twist it a bit so that it holds onto the TV mount. Alright, so 2 first, and then just use a screwdriver to tighten the TV mount to the drywall. Just like that. So I'm gonna do all 4 screws, and I'll show you what to do next. Done. I have already placed all 4 screws, and the next step, as I told you earlier, this is a 55-inch TV, and it's gonna be really heavy. But you don't have to worry because this is Condomounts, right? So I'm gonna carry this TV up and just place it right here. There you go. Done. So this is a heavy 55-inch TV mounted on the drywall with some metal studs backing. It's a fixed TV mount, which means you would not be able to move your TV. Alright, it is suitable to be used for huge TVs like this. This is an old TV and it's very heavy, but Condomounts make sure that you could mount your TV onto the drywall, although if it is a huge TV. So there you go.